Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change the text of a paragraph by clicking on a button. So here you can see I am a simple paragraph and we have a button over here, and if I click on it, here you can see the text change from two different things. Here you can see you click the button, I am new paragraph. So I'm going to show you how you can do it. This is super simple. So here you can see these are basic HTML structure and we just have only one h1 tag. So right now let's just refresh here and we only have this line. So let's go and make a paragraph and a button. So for it we are going to, let's just say over here h2 tag, and inside this h2 tag we are going to say I am a simple, or let's say sample paragraph, and we are going to have a id inside this h2 tag. So we are going to say over here id equal to, let's say, demo, and after this we are going to have a button. So we are going to mention the button tag over here, and let's say here click me, and inside this button we are going to use a javascript class. So we are going to say over here on click equal to, we are going to mention a function name. Let's say over here change underscore text, and we'll give to first bracket. It means we are calling a javascript function, and we are done. So right now if we save it, then if we refresh, so we have a sample paragraph and a click me button. So we just need to write only one more line. So we are going to mention over here a skip tag, and inside this skip tag we are going to write a single line of javascript, and that will be, we are going to mention this on click function, which is change underscore text. So we are going to say over here function change underscore text to first bracket, then to second bracket, and here we are going to say document dot get, E will be capital, element by id, b and I will be capital, then we'll give to first bracket to double quotation, and inside it we are going to mention this demo id, which is for the paragraph. So we are going to say over here demo, then after this first bracket we'll give dot, and we are going to say over here inner html. It means first of all we'll get the id, and inner html means we are going to make some changes for this paragraph. So we'll just keep over here equal to double quotation, and here we are just going to say you clicked the button and I am a new paragraph, and that's all, and indeed with a semicolon. And this is all the code, only 3 line of code basically. So let's save it, let's refresh here. Right now here you can see I am a sample paragraph, and if I click on this click me button, here you can see you click the button and I am a new paragraph. So this is how you can change the text by clicking button using JavaScript. So thank you very much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next tutorial.